Moving ahead, the top court has today set aside Punjab and Haryana High Court's order imposing 10 lakh cost each on musician Vishal Dadlani and activist Tehseen Poonawalla. The case stemmed from Dadlani's tweets criticizing Jain monk Tarun Sagar's nude appearance and the Haryana government's action of calling him to the Legislative Assembly. Poonawalla had posted a photoshopped image of the semi-nude woman alongside the Jain saint and raised a question about societal standards. While the High Court had quashed the FIR against both, finding no offence made out under the IPC or the Information Technology Act, it still imposed heavy costs on them, stating that they had hurt religious sentiments and should be deterred from mocking religious figures for publicity in future. However, a bench of Justices Abhay Oak and Ujjal Bhuya of the Supreme Court today observed that once the High Court found no offence, it should not have penalized the petitioners for exercising their fundamental right to speech. The Supreme Court disapproved of the High Court's remarks comparing the contributions of religious figure with that of the petitioners and said that courts should not indulge in moral policing. The court emphasized that the High Court should have applied the standard rule of costs follow the event, meaning that the losing party should ordinarily bear the costs and instead should have imposed the costs on the complainant. It also noted that the High Court might have been influenced by the fact that the criticism was directed at a religious leader, which should not have affected its decision.